Hi guys, in today's video we'll be showing how to add websites on Kommander. You can find it under Add Website. The default browser is Baidu, and you can either enter your target URL or the path to a local web page. For example, here I'm entering Google. The software currently supports 4 types of browsers: built-in browser, Chrome, Edge, and IE. If you want to switch to Chrome, you can message our WhatsApp, unzip the compressed file we send you and copy the files to Kommander's file location. Also, if you see this pop up when selecting Edge, you can also contact us via WhatsApp. There are 2 ways to add website content. The first is the screenshot mode. This mode captures the browser content through screenshots and brings it into the software. Screenshot mode supports scrolling up and down, changing the resolution. It can output to multiple screens with a maximum resolution of 16,384 pixels. However, this mode has a higher performance cost, so it's best suited for resolutions below 8K and allows fewer open web pages. You can interact with the web page directly within the software's canvas preview. And also you can apply effects. Next, let's look at the window mode. Drag into the canvas again, and this mode allows you to control the browser directly within the output. Let's take a look at this. You won't see the content in the software, but you can control the web page directly in the output. Window mode has a lower performance cost, supports a maximum resolution of 31,620 pixels, and allows more web pages to be open. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.